What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are putting in some work on his car. Got a lot of good progress done, and I'm mostly trying to get this thing mostly done today, hopefully. Little details we'll do over the next couple of days, if not all today. But as you can see right now, we are getting ready to mount up the rear lip. I have it mounted right there, rewired everything, so obviously that'll be cleaned up. I had to jack it up to take the wheel off to mount it. While we have it up in the air, I'm gonna see if there's a easy way to get the side skirt mounted, since we're gonna have it up in the air and the wheel off. Not only that, but we have a leak, so I'm gonna actually test where it's coming from, because it's on this side only. So I'm gonna get under there and see if it's the hose line or anything on the bag, and if it's not, then it must be the back manifold area. So we're gonna do that, and then when we jump onto this side, same thing. Mount it, 'cause we're gonna pull the wheel off, see if we can get the side skirt mounted, and then also on this side is the side where we need to replace the sway bar link. So that's the game plan for today. Hopefully in today's video, I think the main goal is to have the rear lip fully mounted. Oh, we do have the front bumper fully mounted and done. Let me show you guys that. Check that out, dude. There she is. Looks really good. We got the mesh and everything back on. It was very hard to, it wasn't hard, but it was pretty tedious to do. But I did my best. Hopefully you're happy with it, Tony. But I'm super happy. This thing's really coming together. I'm very happy. It's been over the course of a few months, and yeah, once this stage is done, he's gonna be bringing it back, and we're gonna be getting the harness bar installed, the harness is installed, and then he has a few other game plans on the way. He actually just ordered a new steering wheel, so you guys are gonna have to stay tuned and wait for that. So I suggest smashing that subscribe button, hitting that bell notification, so you guys are notified every time I drop a video. So I tried to hold up the side skirt, and it's hard because there's really nowhere to like mount it on how that side skirt is. So I'm gonna actually have Tony's friend mount it. He said he'll go ahead and take care of that. But I still have to wrap an inlay right there, but we got the rear lip mounted on this side at least. Looks like that, and we still have to do that side. And then the leak is coming from, let me see if I can show you guys. I have one of a bulkhead right there, because the hose line wasn't long enough, so I had to use a bulkhead, which really sucks. So either one, I'm gonna have to replace the hose line so it's long enough and then it'll be good, or two, I need to get a fitting that's better, because this bulkhead was actually broken and it's from Bag Rider. So I'm gonna see if I have anything. I don't think I do, but I'm gonna see if I can figure something out to fix that. But nonetheless, yeah, I think I'm gonna leave the side skirts for his friend, because those are just a pain in the ass. Got the whole rear mounted up. There it is, finally. Oh man. So now I'm gonna go ahead and straighten out the wheel and get the tie rod, or the sway bar end link on. Right, so here's the new link. If you guys remember, the reason why we're replacing this is because, as you can see, we don't have one. The reason for it, when actually it was just completely rusted in, and because of that not coming out, you can't pull the suspension out to drop everything. So I cut the thread parts off. I cut all this off, and it was still just completely seized in there. So I had to cut it completely in half. That dropped it, and it still was stuck in there. So it took a lot of hammering and everything, but I finally got it out. So we have the new one. So let's go ahead and plop that in, and pretty much we're done with the whole car. Aside from little details, we have the inlays still here and on that side, and then shoot guys, I think we're done. The link is in right there. Everything's bolted back up. We're good. Let's throw this wheel back on and we are done. Like I said, other than little details, side skirts, we're gonna have his buddy do it. Front bumper, rear, everything is done. They still have to fix that leak. I'm gonna try to figure something out, hopefully soon. Guys, she's out. We still have to do some tucking and whatnot. We got her pulled out. All right, let's get that first air out. Connecting to manifold, connecting to manifold, syncing to manifold, and connected. There she is. I really wish this rear went lower. When I had this rear lip before, it was almost on the floor, but nonetheless, there it is. Looks a little off because of no side skirts, but damn, dude. So let me turn the headlights on, make sure that's working. Go ahead and hit that. Make sure that I did that right. Yeah, it's working. And then, of course, when you hit it, it'll flash. Dude. Dude, look at that. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. Awesome. So we're basically done, guys. It's just a matter of doing little details. These things keep popping out. Like, they do not stay in for the life of them. But little details such as like the inlays I told you about. Oh, a bee just literally landed on my hand. Side skirts, tuck the rear wires like I showed you, and then that's it. It's Friday, guys. You already know my favorite time of the week, and man, it is a nice day out. It's 90 degrees actually out here in Cali. Super weird. And next week it's gonna be raining. I don't know, but pretty much, guys, we're done with his. I just have a few little details to do, but for the most part it is done. So today, well, later we'll work on that, but today I'm actually going to be doing some stuff on my car. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video right here, and I think we'll probably, I don't even know if we're going to film it. I think just the next time I pick up the camera, it's going to be a little different, not much, but just little changes, because we are actually hopefully going to be going to an event. It'll be the second show with this. The first one was literally like a couple days after we bagged it. But we're planning on a show on the end of this month. So that's the plan. So I'm trying to get her ready. And as you can tell, we still have the whole front end to do. We still have some stuff in the back to do with the roof. I still have to body work the driver's quarter panel. And then on top of all of that, I have to still mount everything on the interior and then go get the car smog, because I can't even technically drive this right now. But nonetheless, guys, I'm going to end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to leave a fat thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys are not already. And I hope to catch you all in the next one, guys. Till next time, as always, peace out.